Hey developers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a cookie in PHP step by step. Let's get started. First, let's create an HTML file. Inside this file, we'll create a simple form with a text box and a submit button. Make sure the form's method is set to POST. Now, create a new file named cookie.php and fetch the input value using the underscore POST method. Here we used setcookie to store the username in a cookie that lasts for 30 days. Modify cookie.php to display the stored cookie value. Now, let's test it. Open the HTML file in your browser. Enter a value in the text box and click Submit. You should see the message confirming the cookie is set. Now, open Inspect element. Application tab, Cookies. You'll find the cookie stored there, and that's it. You've successfully created a cookie in PHP. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more programming content, and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Blast off!